Check out this Dodge 2019 Challenger SXT. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include tires, 235/55 R18 AS Performance, STD, wheels, 18-inch x 7.5 inches cast aluminum, STD, black houndstooth cloth sport seats, pitch black clear coat, transmission, 8-speed automatic, 850RE, make, STD, quick order package 21A SXT rear-wheel drive included, engine 3.6L V6 24V VVT transmission, 8-speed automatic, 850RE, make, engine, 3.6L V6 24V VVT, STD, rear-wheel drive and power steering. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading.